I'm here in the Novant Health Kitchen with Chef Matthew Krenz of the Asbury, who's helping us get ready for Thanksgiving with a healthy side dish. This is a chili roasted sweet potato with pecans and thyme.
Absolutely.
Let's see what you've got here, Chef.
All right, so the first thing you want to do is just keep your sweet potato, give it a good scrub, make sure there's not any soil or dirt on there, and then you're just going to slice it into rounds. And sweet potatoes can be a little firm, so you always want to make sure you keep the point of the knife blade down and just slice all the way through, let the edge of the blade do the work.
Just using that rocking motion.
Yep. And so slice all the way through, nice thick rounds, and that's it.
And about how many rounds per person are you looking at?
So when you're going to portion this, you're probably going to want to portion 3 or 4 rounds per person.
Great. So then you've got some compound butter here that you've assembled earlier.
Yeah, and so these are so simple and so easy to make. All you're going to want to do is go ahead and slice a little bit of this butter and then just place it in between each round.
And what all is in this butter that you've prepared?
So this compound butter has gochujang, or a fermented chili paste, thyme, shallots, garlic, anise seed, and cardamom, ground cardamom.
So there's some really great seasonal flavors. That cardamom has that kind of warmth that you're looking for at this time of year.
Yeah, and a little light licorice flavor to go with the sweet potato, I think, is really seasonally appropriate.
That's great. So now you're just going to pop all this together here.
Yep, you're just going to go ahead, get it into your either tin foil or baking dish, whatever you're going to roast it in. Hit it with just a little bit of salt right over the top. And that's it. You just put it in 375, cook it for about 30 to 45 minutes. Really all you're looking for is the sweet potato to be nice and tender.
Okay, great. So we're going to put that in the oven, and we'll be right back to check on that. But first, let's get some healthy Thanksgiving tips with Novant Health registered dietitian Kelly Homesley.
Thanks, Adam. So sweet potatoes are loaded with fiber, so they're going to be very filling. They're also very inexpensive, and they taste great. Sweet potatoes are also going to be loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. And just from one small sweet potato, you can get over 100% of your daily needs of vitamin A. This is going to be really important with helping promote a healthy immune system, also cell growth, and good vision. And just in general, sweet potatoes are also going to be a healthier alternative compared to your regular white potato. So not only do they have more fiber, but they also have a lower glycemic index, and they contain more vitamins and minerals.
Thanks, Kelly. And Chef, we've got those sweet potatoes in the oven. Let's get them out and see what we've got here.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're just going to roast these things 375 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes.
And they smell great.
And you just want to make sure that they're firm but soft and cooked all the way through.
Those look great.
Yeah, and then to finish these, all we usually do is drizzle a little bit of sorghum molasses and fresh thyme over them, and then sprinkle just a couple of pecans, nice and lightly toasted, right over the top there, and then serve them whenever you're ready.
It looks beautiful. Chef Matthew Krenz from the Asbury, thank you very much. You can get the full recipe at NovantHealthThanksgivingParade.com, and don't miss the Novant Health Thanksgiving Day Parade in Uptown Charlotte on Thanksgiving morning.